Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin. Let's first remove the comments. I'll also remove all these div and its properties. So first of all, I'll use star and we'll give the background color here. So background, this is the background color. Let's paste it. Now I'll use body to create this white triangle. So body, first of all, obviously background, white. Now I will use, first of all, I would be using position absolute, which I would also be using later on with divs because I would be using them later on. Although I removed them for now. So absolute, or we can also give fixed. Okay, so now we have to give it the size. So width, I'll begin with 100 by 100. Okay, would absolute take it in the center? No. So let's keep it fixed only. So I'll first now give the clip path. I'll use clip path to make this rectangle look like a triangle. Like I know the sizes has to be increased further, but we can wait for it. So polygon. Now we know this corner is 0 as per the x-axis. So I'll write 0 and it's 100% as per the y-axis. So 100%. Comma. Now we know this is 0 as per the y-axis, but 50 as per the x-axis. So 50% and 0, comma. Now it's the last one. So it's 100%, 100%. You can see now that it has become a triangle. So now the one thing I'll do is align it from at least the left side. So left. For now, I'll give it the value of 100. Okay, I didn't give a semicolon at the end of clip path. It's not going to be 150, 70. And I'll also give it top. Wait, let's first change the width. So maybe 200. Further, 250. Yeah, 250 is quite accurate. Here also I'll do 150. Now let's give it a top value of like again 100. No, 90, 80, 70. So we have to increase the height. So 160 and this also 60. 68.5. Yeah, 68.5 looks quite promising. And we have to increase here also. So 60.5. 61.5. 62. Yeah. Again, a little bit more this side. Yeah. Quite better. Now we would be using the divs because obviously, let me show you without the difference here. So there is a triangle now which is of the size we need. Now I'll create 4 divs. So A, B, C, D. Okay, so all of them will have a fixed position. So first of all, A, comma B, comma C, comma D. They will have first of all border radius, which is a common property for all of them. So border radius 50%. Now let's do with A. It will have a width of maybe 20, and also the height will be same. So 20. This is going to be the common property for 3 of them because the D div would form the bigger circle. So A, top 100 and left 100. We'll need to use absolute there instead of fixed. So absolute, yeah, now it's visible. So the top value is almost on point. It's 1.5 and we can decrease this to 50, 60. Yeah. Also the top value will be same for A and C. We only have to change the left value for C. So we can simply do this. C. Now left value would be, I think, around, like, let me check, maybe even here. No, it's good. So 160 maybe. No, it's too much. 40, 50, 155. 160 is too much. Okay, 160 is less. 70. Yeah. Now it's done for B. And B would be having a different value for both top and, like, I think 50 would be enough for top. I am not sure, but I think it will be. And if it's 250, so it would be around 125. Quite close. 115. Yeah, 115 is accurate. Now it's turn for the D div. So its width would be, I think, no, it will be 50. I was previously thinking that it could be 40 because it's normal to just use double sized divs, but no, it would be 50 as far as I can observe from it. 100 and left, again 100, 90. Yeah. So let's submit it. .8%. Also, I have another idea. I don't know it will work or not, but I think it is worth doing once. So let's remove this. We also do not need the divs there, so we can also remove the divs. First of all, here I would give a margin of, I don't know, maybe 90 and 90, 95. Wait, let me also remove all these properties. Like, we may need one div, only the A div and nothing else. Maybe 70 works. Yes, 70 is correct. Yeah. Now we need one div. My bad that I removed all of them. Yeah, it would be enough. So a div, and now we can give it a width. Let's first create the bigger circle now. So we know the sizes 50 and 50. And now let's also give it some margin. Maybe now 90 and 90 would work. Also, wait, I didn't even give it the border radius this time. So border radius would be 50%. Also, why we do not need the closing tag at all. So width 50, height 50, but why isn't it visible? Okay, I forgot. I think I should give it position fixed. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more. 100. Yeah, now it's correct. Now let's give it a color. Like I'll use this one div and create its box shadow to form all these three. So obviously, if it has color, then we have to use this one. Let's paste it. Now box shadow. Now if we use box shadow, and I think the difference between them was around like 50 pixels. Let me check. So 0, 0, and we have to bring some change in size also, because obviously we can't use a 50 by 50 div to form a 20 by 20 straight ahead. So we need to decrease some of its size. 55, yeah, better. So now we know that at the end there is minus 15 only. So if this is 55, it would obviously be minus 55. So minus 55 pixels, 0, 0, minus 15 pixels. Minus 15 simply means that from both sides, from all sides, 15 is getting minus. So it is obviously becoming 20. Now I'll need to use 0 because this is at the top. We need to have a different top value this time. So 0. And I'll go with this minus 55 pixels only. And 0 and minus 15 pixels. Yeah. Let's submit it now. Maybe this one works. I was quite sure that that method would work, but unfortunately it didn't. This one did, although this seems to have more difference than the previous one, but no problem. So let's try to reach the highest score possible. So we are almost there. So if we submit it now, Yeah, 630.22. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.